I haven't always had the best luck with these tonneau covers. And these bars they're bent and the whole cover's stretched out. The cover's junk. But this one doesn't seem too bad. Looks nice. Alright, so we've got our tonneau cover here, and I'm going to show you how to install a tonneau cover the easy way. Alright, so I went with the Truxedo brand of tonneau cover. My brother Matt has had some good luck with these brand. They're on the cheaper end, but they're not the cheapest ones out there. They're definitely cheaper ones. And the reason why I got to get a new one is because I've had bad luck with buying those really cheap branded ones. Okay, so all the parts we got here, we've got the two rails, the cover, then we've got a gasket, and then the gasket for the corners, and then our clamps. And then some form of instructions usually comes with these too. So, alright, we'll get her together. Alright, first thing we'll do is we'll get our gasket on there. Make sure the surface is clean when you're putting it on. We'll put our corner gasket in there. Alright, we got our corner gaskets on. We'll just kind of lay our rails up on top there. Just get a ballpark. Just kind of set things in place. Just kind of lays over. Oh, tear. Oh, that ain't even sticky. So it's just sticky on the one side. Just lays on top. Is that how she goes? No. Right. So then we'll clamp down the rails. We got 3 clamps. Alright, so we're having 3 clamps on each side. The first 2 clamps are going to go closest to the rear, and then we're going to have 2 clamps closest to the front. And then 1 in the middle.
Okay, so after you make sure everything's gonna line up nice and it's gonna work, just go back and tighten all the clamps. Tighten the clamp.
Now Matt likes these Truxedo, Truxport tonneau covers. He's had this one on his truck for a little more than a year. It holds up pretty good in the Florida sun. You know, it's a little faded, which is a little worn out, but that's to be expected. You know, like right here, and this has been on here for more than a year, and it gets well used. And it still stands up, and it's relatively cheaper tonneau cover. Matt puts his brand on all his trucks, so I figured I'd give it a try since